Hi, I ran inside to grab the camera and missed it, but we have a pig giving birth, and here's the first little goober here. I was just trying to get Dad separated and in with his son, and it's a little late. I don't want these piglets to get squished, so we're gonna have to figure out a housing solution in a hurry, because that guy is huge. And that girl is also due, I think. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. You're doing so good, Pango. You're doing so good. You're doing so good, girl. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. You are such a good girl. Such a good girl. I'm gonna leave the camera on her and try to take care of feeding some of these other pigs right now. Hi, honey. Good girl. You're such a good girl. Such a good mama. Oh, just don't sit on that baby. Atta girl. Atta girl. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, wow. Wow. Hi, little piggy. Hi. You picked a cold day to be born. You did, cute little piggy. Oh my god, I can't even talk. Cute little pig. Oh, wow. She trying to cover them with hay? What is she doing? I just don't want her to accidentally squish any. One already crawled in the back, and I really don't want them to squish anybody. This piglet just fell out. Didn't see that coming. Didn't see any hooves. Just piglet fell out. Hi, number 3. Hi. Oh my goodness. The other 2 have crawled into the hay because it's pretty damn cold. It is really damn cold. Oh my goodness. It's in the single or double digits here in the Northeast, and these pigs picked a hell of a day to be born. It's a little cold. One is over here in the hay trying to stay warm, and this one's over here just fell out of mom. And this one just fell out and got my pants. Hi! We're gonna want to get you very warm in a hurry.
Yes.
Oh my. Oh, little piggy. Woo! It is cold out, pig. Let's get you in with your siblings. Oh, you've got waddles. Probably a boy. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Let's get you in here. In here, okay. There. Okay. In here. There you go. Okay. Oof. Oh, you're doing great. How many is that? 4? Shit. I'm just gonna put the camera right on her butt because I keep missing them. Trying to take care of the ones that are here. You're doing great. Doing great, Pango. That's a good idea. Let's get these piglets on some nipples. Okay, there we go. Good mama. Good girl. You're doing great, Pango. You're doing great, Piggy. Oh, something else is gonna come out in a minute. Oh, wow. Here comes the piglet, number 5. Wow. Hello there. Oh, boy. Hey, Daddy. Oh, geez, there's number 6. Right on top of number 5. Hi, Daddy. Hi. Oh. Yes, that's all your fault right there. This is your mess. That's right. Oh my goodness, they're going right over with their... Oh no! Another one just fell out. Wow. Is that number 7? This is great. Wow. Haven't got this on video before. Oh my goodness. Good piggy. You are such a good girl.